Hello everyone. The New Year 2019 is just a few weeks away from us, and it's obvious that we are all excited about that. All of us wanted to have a fresh start in our lives. We could all feel plenty of hopes, dreams, good vibes, positive emotions flowing within us. We are jam packed with a list of resolutions that we would love to do this year. I would say if you're in such a great aura, this is time to create your own vision board. Some of you might already know about vision boards, but some may not. With full of hopes, I have created a digital vision board for myself, and I would love to share some details about that to you. What is a vision board? It's very simple, a pictorial representation of all the steps that is involved in the life you want to live, or in other words, a collage of the life you dream to have. It is sort of a roadmap of the path you want to follow and achieve in your upcoming future life. You can call it as a dream board or even as an inspiration board. Why do I need to create a vision board for myself? The process of creating your own vision board helps you to discover who you are, what you want to be, where you want to go, and what is your ideal dream life. It helps you to make the best use of each opportunity you encounter on a daily basis, which is related to your dream life. It pushes you to follow your goals. When you look at your vision board every day, unknowingly it sees your subconscious mind to move forward in the direction of your dreams and not get distracted due to your busy life. It will serve as a gentle reminder for you to stay focused. How do I create my vision board? Have a look on the vision board I created for myself. This will help you to get a better idea on how a vision board looks. I created this digitally in the website postermywall.com and downloaded it to my computer. I also took a photo print of the picture and put it in my workplace. Creating a vision board is a very personal experience, and you need to choose a calm and pleasant place, a perfect time in your home to start doing it. Think about the ideal life you would love to live in all the corners of your life, like family, health, career, or whatever it may be. Think about what you want to accomplish in your life. Jot them down in a paper as a first step. Now it's time to collect perfect pictures for each of the things you have written down. You can go to pexels.com or pixabay.com to search for best pictures for each of your purpose and save them in your computer. These two websites have free stock photos which we can make use of. A quick tip is that to collect colorful and beautiful photos that really inspires your inner gut feeling. Now it's time to collage them nicely on a virtual poster board. Go to postermywall.com, click on create a design, go for blank canvas. I have used the flyer, orientation as portrait, and click on create. Choose any background and you can start with the creation. You can add your collected photos and arrange them as per your creativity. You can also add some inspiring words in it. Once the final pic is ready, save it, download it to your computer. Your digital image is ready now. What do I do with this picture? If you intend to experience the real benefit of the vision board, you will need to hang it in any place in the world which gets your attention every day. It could be your office, your bedroom, your kitchen, anywhere that you spend most of the time of your typical days. And also, if it is digital, you can keep it as a screensaver or display image in all of your gadgets. Make sure to see the vision board every morning as well as every night before you go to sleep. Stressful days in our life are unavoidable, and having a glance on your vision board in such a situation will help you to get the momentum back, keep flowing through the streams of life, and follow the path without trouble. And also, you can always update your vision board with new dreams whenever you feel to do so. It will be a good idea if you give a refresh to your vision board every December. If you take one step towards your dream, the universe will take multiple steps favoring your dream. All you need is to gracefully take baby steps towards your dream. A slow progress is better than no progress. Happy dreaming and achieving. Thanks for watching.